Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Finished a Fiverr order and wondering how to leave a review? In this video, I will guide you through when, where and how to leave a review on Fiverr as a buyer. The right way in 2025. Leaving a review isn't just about saying thanks. It helps other buyers make smarter decisions and keeps fiber sellers accountable and motivated to deliver quality work. When can you leave a review? You can only review a seller after the order is completed. That happens either when you manually accept the delivery or Fiverr automatically marks it complete after 3 days. To begin, go to your Fiverr dashboard, then click on Orders and select the order marked as completed. You will see a prompt to leave a review. Click it to get started. You will rate the seller across three areas: communication, service as described. Would you recommend this seller? Then you can write a public comment. For example, I ordered a YouTube thumbnail. The seller was fast, professional, and delivered exactly what I asked for in less than 24 hours. Want to add credibility? You can upload screenshots or final files to show exactly what was delivered. This helps other buyers trust your review. After submitting, Fiverr gives you a 20-minute window to edit your review just in case you made a mistake or want to reward something. Fiverr also lets you leave private feedback that's only visible to them. This helps Fiverr internally assess seller performance without making it public. Remember, you have 24 days to leave a review after order completion. Some special services may allow up to 30 days, but don't wait too long. And that's how you leave a review on Fiverr as a buyer. This video helped you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with other Fiverr users. Thanks for watching.